Good morning, my dear students. I hope you are in good health and taking care of yourself. So, our next chapter in English grammar is chapter number 2, that is singular and plural nouns. As you already know that nouns are the naming words, now we'll discuss what is singular and what is a plural noun. Singular, which means single, or it means one person, place, animal, or a thing. For example, a car, an apple. Plural noun means more than one person, place, animal, or a thing. Now you can see in the picture there are a lot of examples given to you. Shoe, shoes, ball, car all are in singular form. Clock, spoon, cup. So how do we make the plurals? Now there are general rules of making or forming plural nouns. We'll discuss each one in detail. The first one says that most of the nouns are made plural by adding s to the noun word. For example, car, cars, bag, bags, table, tables. So this is the first and the most general rule, that by adding s you can make the plural of most of the nouns. Now the second rule says that the nouns ending with s, double s, ch, sh, x. I repeat once again, the nouns ending with s, double s, ch, sh and x, you have to add es to it. The one which I have written with yellow, that you have to add es to it. So bus, it is ending with s, so it becomes buses. Bench, it is ending with ch, so it becomes benches. Peach, it is again ending with ch, so it becomes peaches. Dishes, it is ending with sh, so it becomes dishes. Box, boxes. Tax, taxes. Now the third rule says that the nouns ending with o, or the words which have o in the end, we have to add es to it. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Volcano, volcanoes. Hero, heroes. Now students, there are some exceptions to this rule. What do you mean by exception? That the rules do not follow with these words, or these words do not follow this rule. For example, radio. Even though see, it is ending with o, but we do not add es, as it is an exception, we add s to it. Stereo, stereos. Igloo, igloos. Piano, pianos. Photo, photos. These are the exceptions to this rule. Now the fourth rule says that the nouns ending with f or fe, we cut f or fe. See, I have marked in it, and we add ves to it. Calf, f is removed, it becomes calves. Shelf, shelves. Wolf, wolves. Okay. Now again there are some exceptions to this rule. Chief is chiefs. Chiefs. Roof, roofs. Proof, proofs. Chef, chefs. Believe, beliefs. Next rule, the nouns ending with y, there is the last letter is y, but it has a consonant before it. Vowels are a, e, I, o, u, and the rest alphabets are consonant. So if the word is ending with y and has a consonant before y, then we add ies. For example, sky becomes skies. Penny, pennies. Army, armies. Now the same rule, but with a slight change. The nouns ending with y, but it has a vowel before it. So we just add s. Day, days. Toy, toys. Donkey, donkeys. Next, the nouns ending with is. For example, axis. Students, just see the spelling, axis. So in these kind of words, bases, oases, all are ending with is. So what you need to do, you need to remove is and you need to change it to es. So axis, bases, oases. Just you have to change is to es. Next rule, the nouns ending with us. Plural is formed by changing us to I. Okay. For example, fungus, fungi, syllabus, syllabi, nucleus, nuclei. Okay, so you just have to cut US and you have to add I to it. Now there is one exception to this rule. In case of circus, even though it is ending with US, but we do not write circi. We make it plural by changing to circuses. Okay, next rule, the nouns ending with AU. Okay, for example, plateau, tableau. We we do not remove anything, we just add X to it. So it becomes plateaux, tableaux. Okay, tableau is an online software, just for your information. So the rule says that if there is AU in the end, we add X to it. Students, these are the general rules. If you will study my video thoroughly, you will get each and every rule and keep on practicing also. Now students, there are some words which do not follow any of the rules told above. So they are called irregular nouns, right? You just have to change the spelling. For example, man, men, women, women, child, children, foot, feet, goose, geese, mouse, mice, louse, lice, ox, oxen, tooth, teeth, person, people. Person can be written as persons also, right? Now some nouns are there which are same in both the forms, which means their plural remains the same as singular. Aircraft remains aircraft only. Dice, luggage, moose remain moose only. Sheep, news, furniture. You don't write furnitures. Okay. Headquarters remain headquarters only. Deer remain deer only. So students, go through my video thoroughly, and if you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you.